I remember the moment that I got the call. That was like crazy. I mean, without this, I wouldn't be here. This is like a wild opportunity for someone to get. I'll never have to have like student debt or anything. That's really cool. I was very encouraged to apply, not just by my family, but staff here and people at Frito-Lay. They all wanted me to apply for this. And when I did, I filled out just a paperwork, and then I got an email saying that I had an interview to do to fully get it. From there, I did the interview. There was a few people in the interview asking me questions. They were all really nice people. After that, I got a call saying that I got it. That was pretty exciting. I really didn't know what I wanted to do up until my senior year, and I started working at Frito-Lay in like a maintenance internship. And from there, I knew I wanted to do something with maintenance. So they had an industrial maintenance course here, and electromechanical is kind of like the next step of that, and I wanted to kind of get the whole wide range of it. My mentor is Bill, and he's been great. Like, any chance he gets, he always reminds me that he's there for me, inside of school, outside of school, anything I need. Blackhawk offers so many different opportunities if you need it. And not just with academics, but like I know that they offer gas vouchers, they offer like a food pantry. So if you ever need anything, I mean, they work with you. I've always been told that Blackhawk was like what matched my career goals. If I went to other colleges, I wouldn't be learning the same stuff here. I'm really thankful for everything that I've gotten from Blackhawk. This is like a wild opportunity for someone to get.